The purpose of putting a second set of wheels on your tractor is twofold. 1. It widens your wheelbase for stability, and 2. It spreads the tractor's weight over twice the surface area, creating a certain degree of flotation on soft and/or boggy surfaces without sacrificing traction. To install a second set of wheels, you will need to purchase one set of wheels to match the size currently on the tractor, and 2 sets of wheel extensions. The only tool required is a 17mm deep socket with ratchet. You will also need a board at least 1 inch thick and 2 feet long. To begin, move your tractor to a level work area and roll one wheel onto your board. Shift the tractor into one of the wheel speeds to prevent the wheels from rotating. Focusing on the elevated wheel, remove the 4 nuts and washers holding it to the wheel studs. We're starting with the 4x10 wheel that comes standard on the Model 722. The procedure is the same for the 4x8 wheel that comes standard on Models 710 and 718. Take one of the 4 wheel spacers, slide it onto the 4 studs, and install the 4 washers and nuts that were previously removed. Tighten the 4 nuts and slide another spacer onto the first one and secure it with 4 more washers and nuts, tightening completely. Now slide on the second wheel, making sure that the tread is pointed in the same direction as the inner tire, with the valve stem pointing outward. Install another set of 4 washers and nuts, tighten, and you are now ready to repeat the entire procedure on the other side. Moving on to the 5x10-inch wheels that are standard on the Model 739, follow the same steps and install 2 of the 4 spacers designed for use with the 10 and 12-inch diameter wheels. Now, slide one of the provided 1/4-inch rings onto the studs before sliding on your second wheel. As before, make sure the tread is pointed in the same direction and the valve stem is turned outward. Install and tighten the 4 washers and nuts. Repeat the entire procedure on the other side, and you're set to go. For our final sets of wheels, the 5x12-inch and 6.5x12-inch, we need to insert all 4 of the 1/4-inch rings. Specifically, after installing the first spacer, slide 2 rings onto the studs before adding the second spacer. Install and tighten the 4 washers and nuts. Then, slide the other 2 rings onto the studs outside the second spacer, and add the wheel, installing and tightening the 4 washers and nuts. Repeat the entire procedure for the other side, and the job is complete. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel for more. Also, please know that we welcome your feedback and questions. To contact us about the content of this video, please call 1-800-543-1040 or email info@bcsamerica.com. Thank you.